Passions were high on both sides of the issue, but there's one thing supporters and opponents can agree on. This bill is destined for a legal challenge.
I came here today to show you the face of a survivor, an abortion survivor.
Claire Colwell told state lawmakers she supports Senate Bill 9 because her mother tried to have an abortion, but the procedure was botched. The bill would outlaw abortion if a fetal heartbeat is detected. A pregnant supporter, April Lanham, even allowed lawmakers to hear the fetal heartbeat inside her.
Because I think the heartbeat is the most powerful sound in the world.
Because a fetal heartbeat can be detected around 6 weeks, opponents say the bill would effectively ban all abortions.
I can also promise you that had I been forced to see this pregnancy through, I would have done what women have done for all the decades people like you have been trying to stop abortions. I would have gone to any length, medically overseen or not, to end my pregnancy.
Opponents also say lawmakers know similar laws have been struck down in the courts.
Well, my concerns are that we have many more crises facing Kentucky and that this litigation has been proven unconstitutional, so it will end up in the court system and we'll be spending money to fight the litigation.
Pro-life advocates believe President Donald Trump's 2 new Supreme Court justices give them a better chance.
I think every bill can be vetted through the court systems, but the viability of the age of the child outside of the womb surviving is changing, and I think it's time for the Supreme Court to revisit this and look at the age of viability.
And to the ACLU, I can say affirmatively, we look forward to your lawsuit.
Kentucky is not the only state with this type of bill. Lawmakers in 8 other states are currently considering fetal heartbeat abortion bills. In Frankfort, Mark Vanderoff, WLKY News.